Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into what we believe to be the best tables available, the COSCO 6 feet. Fold-in-half banquet table with handle. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let me tell you why this table stands out from the rest. Whether you're hosting a gathering, setting up for an event, or simply need an extra surface for your projects, this table has got you covered. Let's talk features. The COSCO 6 feet. Banquet table boasts a sturdy construction with a high-density polyethylene frame and a durable plastic resin tabletop. This means it's built to withstand all weather seasons, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. One of the standout features of this table is its fold-in-half design, making it incredibly easy to transport and store when not in use. Plus, with its secure locking mechanism and comfortable carry handle, you can move it around with ease. Another satisfied customer shares, "I needed a rectangular project table that would fit across my space perfectly." The handle on one side and grip space on the other makes it easy to move, plus it folds in half for storage. So, if you're in the market for a versatile, durable, and easy-to-use table, look no further than the COSCO 6 feet. Fold-in-half banquet table with handle. Trust me, it's a game-changer for any occasion. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more expert reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy shopping!